Welcome everyone to Live Good's Quick Overview by Freedom Champions. Bago tayo mag-proceed sa presentation, I'm pleased to share the mission of our team to help our affiliates members reach their full potential, rank up to diamond, and attain time and financial freedom. I'm pretty sure na inline ito sa gusto ninyong mangyari sa buhay ninyo, yung magkaroon ng time and financial freedom. Okay, let's dive into the presentation. Live Good is the new way of doing network marketing. The old, traditional, antiquated way has to go. Bakit? Numbers don't lie. More than 97% fail in traditional network marketing at wala pang 3 months naghahanap na ng malilipatan. Top 4 reasons why. Products are overpriced. Minamarkup ng 8 to 10 times or more para mabayaran ng few top earners. Unfortunately, kawawa ang mga consumers. Requires expensive monthly product authorship or maintenance to earn commissions. Ang masaklap, kulang pa ang commission na pambili ng monthly maintenance. Abonado ang mga distributors. Requires big team volume para kumita. Walang katapusang pagbibenta ng mga overpriced products. Karamihan mga US and Europe-based companies ang gumagawa nito. Marami dyan mga money games. Karamihan mga Asia-based companies ang gumagawa nito. Nakadepende ang earning potential sa halaga ng package. Multiple accounts pa at kinakamada. May flush out na pabor sa mga owners ng company. Lahat ng mga ito ay sumisira sa real essence ng network marketing. Tignan natin ang kaibahan ng Live Good. Una, products are wholesale. Ito yung mga price or product price comparison ng ilan sa mga top-selling products ng Live Good. Bioactive Multivitamin, your immune system booster for only $9.95. Ultra Magnesium Complex for only $8.95. Kailangan ng magnesium in more than 300 chemical reactions sa ating katawan. Mahalaga sa pag-maintain ng tamang blood pressure. Kapag mababa ka sa magnesium, prone ka sa risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes, at osteoporosis. Super Reds, only $18. Tignan nyo ang price difference versus other brands. Para magkaroon ng healthy heart, dapat ang diet natin ay rich in red fruits and vegetables. At ang Super Reds has the highest amount. Everyone who has a heart needs Super Reds. Factor 4, top-selling product for advanced inflammation management. Kapag may chronic inflammation ka, it can lead to serious diseases like heart disease, stroke, cancer, diabetes, arthritis, kidney at liver diseases. As we speak, mahigit 30 na ang health and wellness products ng Live Good at lahat malaki ang price difference with its closest competitors. But take note, hindi lang affordable ang product. Live Good combined quality and affordability. Made in USA mga products. Manufactured in facilities that strictly follow good manufacturing practice guidelines para sigurado na safe, pure, at effective at third-party tested for purity and potency, plus quality certified pa. Pangalawa, no expensive monthly product auto-ship to earn commissions. Walang forced buying of products. Bili ka ng product kung kailan mo gusto. Pangatlo, no team volume required to earn commissions. Ang buong team mo ay hindi puwersadong bumili ng produkto. At pang-apat, Live Good is a real business and everyone has an equal opportunity to succeed. Wala sa halaga ng package ang kikitain mo. Lahat pantay-pantay ang earning potential. Live Good is the new way of doing network marketing. It's an opportunity that makes sense. Kaya we are not surprised na in its first 13 months, mahigit 1 million paid members ang sumali sa Live Good at umabot ng $100 million ang kanyang revenue. Live Good is revolutionizing the world of commerce. It's disrupting the $200 billion network marketing industry. It's a game changer. It's fixing a broken traditional network marketing. Sa isang negosyo, napaka-importante ang timing at business model. Let's dig deeper sa club membership. Familiar ba kayo sa Costco, Netflix, Amazon Prime at Spotify? Lahat yan ay mga club membership companies. Ang Costco ay may 220 million members. Netflix, 230 million members. Amazon Prime, around 200 million members. At Spotify, 210 million members. Apat lang yan sa mga napakaraming club membership companies, pati car wash, club membership na rin. Ito ay nagpapatunay na ang club membership ay siyang trend and people want more value for their money. Pag-usapan natin ang Costco. Ang executive membership ng Costco ay $10 per month or $120 per year. Makakasave ka sa groceries, household items, gas at marami pang iba. Mag-shopping ka anytime you want. Ganyan din ang Live Good. You pay $9.95 per month or $99.95 for 1 year. You save 20% pag 1 year ang pinili mong option. As a member ng Live Good, mabibili mo ng wholesale ang mga products. At the moment, available ang mga supplements. Coming soon, ang household products at skincare. And the plan is to have everything in the coming years just like Amazon. Though club membership din ang Live Good, may malaking pagkakaiba sa Costco, Netflix, Amazon Prime at Spotify dahil Live Good is the club membership that pays, meaning it shares its revenue to its members. May pay plan ang Live Good sa mga gustong kumita, extra income man o full-time income. May two options to join. Option 1, one-time $40 affiliate fee plus $9.95 first month membership for a total of $49.95. Option 2, one-time $40 affiliate fee plus $99.95 one-year membership for a total of $139.95. Best value yan as you save 20% or nakalibre ka na ng 2 months. Kapag nagawa mo yan, may access ka na sa mga products at wholesale price. Plus, may mga digital products ka like back office. Dito ka magla-log in to check on product info, i-monitor ang growth ng business mo, mag-withdraw ng commissions at marami pang iba. May mga different websites ka at pages na pwedeng i-share sa mga prospects mo in 200 plus countries. You have all these online tools to build your Live Good business globally. Once na affiliate member ka na sa Live Good, ilalagay ka ng system sa 2x15 matrix. This is how we build a team. Spots are filled from top to bottom, left to right on a first come first serve basis. So the faster you take action, the better. Dahil matrix to, walang leg to balance at walang flush out. Nasa system ka na, pwede mo nang i-share ang Live Good online and offline para magka-income na. May 7 ways to earn. Una, weekly fast start commissions. 50% ang pwede mong kitain from all your personally enrolled affiliates. Anyone na direct mo na nagbayad ng $49.95, may kita kang $25 or 1,375 pesos depende sa palitan ng dollar to pesos. Paid up to 10 levels based on rank. Unlimited ang pwede mong maging direct, kaya the more the better. Pangalawa, matrix commissions. Paid monthly to. Kikita ka ng 2.5% of $9.95 that everyone in your matrix pays. That's 25 cents or 13 pesos and 75 centavos. For example, kapag may 50 members ka sa matrix, times 25 cents, may $12.50 ka or 687 pesos. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang pag-build at kapag umabot ng 500 members, may $125 ka or 6,875 pesos ang matrix income mo. What if umabot ng 5,000 members times 25 cents? And that's equivalent to $1,250 or 68,750 pesos ang matrix commissions mo. Pangatlong kitaan, matching bonuses. Kikita ka ng 50% sa lahat ng matrix commissions ng mga directs mo. Halimbawa, unang direct mo ay may $100 matrix commissions, may $50 ka na matching or 2,750 pesos. Second direct, $300 ang matrix commissions, $150 ang matching bonus mo. Third direct, $500 ang matrix commissions mo, may $250 ka. Unlimited ang pwede mong maging direct. Nasa sayo yan kung gaano kalaki ang gusto mong matching bonus. Hindi lang sa direct ang matching bonus, may generational matching pa at abot ng 70% ang additional matching bonus mo very deep in your team. Fourth way to earn retail commissions. Kikita ka ng as much as 50% sa mga bumibili ng products from your retail website. Up to 10 levels ang kitaan. Panglimang kitaan, customer acquisition bonuses. Babayaran ka ng company sa lahat ng first order ng mga affiliates members mo at up to 10 levels depending on your rank. Sixth way to earn influencer bonuses, additional income sa mga malalakas mag-retail online. And finally, bonus pool. May dalawang pool. First, pool for diamond affiliates. 2.5% ng total sales ng company. Take note, total sales, hindi profit. Ito ay evenly split sa lahat ng mga diamond affiliates. Meaning, kahit bago ka pa lang na diamond, parehas ang diamond pool mo sa mga nauna at may malaking team na diamonds. This is first in the history of network marketing. Second, Crown Diamond Bonus Pool. 0.5% ng total company sales ay evenly split sa lahat ng Crown Diamonds. Finally, last part ng ating quick overview, top 4 reasons why you should seriously consider Live Good. Una, healthy, sustainable ang business model ng Live Good. It's the first club membership that pays. Buy products when you want to. Mas maganda na may freedom ka sa pagbili ng produkto at hindi ka puwersado. Ang mga companies na nag-adapt ng club membership model ay patuloy na dumadami ang kanilang members at revenue ay patuloy na lumalaki. Pangalawa, sa panahon ngayon, we can leverage on technology at may spread natin ang ating business globally. Live Good ships to 200 plus countries and payment system is in place for both product purchase and affiliates commissions. Pangatlo, Live Good is a ground floor opportunity. Though umabot na sa 1 million plus ang paid members, marami pang hindi pa nauunawaan how powerful this opportunity is at marami pang walang idea. The whole world will know about Live Good. As we speak, 2 pa lang ang distribution centers. More will be opened in Asia, Africa, and South America. And massive marketing is in motion to spread the word. And finally, mababa lang ang entry. $49.95 or $139.95. It won't break the bank. The masses can join and everyone has an equal opportunity to earn and succeed. Maraming salamat sa inyong oras. Please get back to the person na nag-share ng presentation na to. We love to have you in the team. God bless you all.